Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Grate for Vulcan Hart part #00-417256-00001. Grate for Vulcan Hart part #00-417256-00001 is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart griddles. It is made of stainless steel and measures 12 inches by 12 inches. The grate is designed to fit the following models: Vulcan Hart G36, G48, G60, G72, G84, and G96. This grate helps to evenly distribute heat across the cooking surface and prevent food from sticking. It also helps to protect the griddle from damage caused by high temperatures. The grate is easy to install and clean, making it an ideal replacement part for any Vulcan Hart griddle. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement gas valve for Vulcan Hart commercial cooking equipment. It is designed to replace faulty or malfunctioning valves and can help to fix symptoms such as poor heat regulation, uneven cooking, and inadequate flame size. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Vulcan Hart appliance. 2. Remove the old grate by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new grate in position and secure it with the screws provided. 4. Turn on the power to the appliance and test to make sure that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.